front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. You need to begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, you need to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, like that. Now look for this shortcut, which is called Lock Orientation. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned grey and tiny padlock opened. That means that auto rotation is now on. That's because your smartphone is no longer locked in current screen orientation. If you wanna turn off auto rotation, click on the same shortcut until it's blue and padlock closes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!